Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. In the month of March, we are going to focus on yoga for strength.
In this session, we are going to do full body strength. Let's go ahead and start at the front of your mat. Your feet should be about hip width apart, shoulders back, navel in and up, and take a deep, big breath up to the sky. And place your hands about shoulder width apart. We're going to send the weight to the heels. Find a nice chair for Utkatasana, chair pose. Holding it here. Start to focus on your breathing. See if you can slow the breath down. Deep inhales and exhales. Go ahead and check into your feet. Make sure you have equal weight on both feet. Your weight is in your heels. Your bottom is not sticking up or arching in. It's nice and flat. Let's take 3 big breaths here. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Pause, exhale out of your nose. Pause, repeat in through your nose. Pause, exhale out of your nose. One last, let this be the longest one yet. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Hold it at the top. Exhale, release it out. Then let's place our hands to our heart. Right now you can start to feel your leg muscles starting to warm up. Go ahead and shift your weight to your right leg. Step your left leg back into a lunge. So before we were really focused on the quads. Now we're focused on our iliopsoas trying to hold us and stabilize us here. And we're still focused on the quad, but we're finding our arms back up to the sky. We're focused on strength here. Deep breath in and out. Holding here, keep on holding. If you feel like your balance is off, bring your feet closer together, that's okay. Deep breath in and out. We're using our body weight against gravity to create that pressure on our bones to help make them stronger. And we're using something called muscular endurance. We're holding these poses for a while. Creates a nice stamina for your body. Let's lean forward, step forward, back to that chair pose and take 3 big breaths here on your own. In and out. Repeat on your own. Then we're going to shift our weight to the left leg, step our right leg back, holding it here, really working to strengthen our legs, relax the shoulders, our arms as well because we're holding them up nice and strong. Find your breath, keep your focus, and just feel your body in this pose. A nice high lunge, where do you feel the muscles working? You might even feel it all the way down to your ankle for stability. Keep on breathing. Then we're gonna lean forward, step forward whenever you're ready. This time we're gonna shift our weight again to that right leg, but this time we're gonna bring the left leg back and warrior prep it. So if you notice that your foot is a little bit more down on the ground, flesh on the ground, about 45-degree angle to the front, you're pulling that right knee out, right arm in front, left arm is in back. So we're working the shoulders for strength, we're working our legs again. Right now, we're working our glutes a little bit more versus our thighs. Because what we're doing is our knee wants to fall in, that right knee, we're gonna pull it out, keep your arms up if you can. And we're working that medial glute. Holding it here, deep breathing in and out. You can look over that right hand, try to relax the shoulders, and just hold it here, in and out. Imagine that your back is flat against the wall. Go ahead and look at that big right toe, get in the habit of pulling that right knee out. Hold it here, hold it strong. Then from here, we're gonna transition. So arms come up, shoulders square to the front. Now you're in warrior 1. From here, pivot the back foot up off the ground, back to that lunge like you did earlier. Then lean forward and step forward to chair, holding this chair a few breaths on your own, in and out. Sinking a little bit lower, nice and deep, working those muscles, becoming more strong. Then shift the weight to the left leg, right leg steps back. We're gonna warrior prep to get a left warrior here. Warrior 2, which means your arms are dropped. Make sure your hips aren't tilted back or forth, they're nice and flat. Pull that left knee out, right arm behind, left arm in front. Feel free to look over that left hand, relax the shoulders. Bring that navel in and up. Holding it here, deep breaths. Notice where you're creating warmth in your body. Might be in your arms, your legs, really pull out that left knee, work that glute. Then we're going to square our arms to the front for that warrior one. In and out with the breathing. Pivot the back foot, rotating to the front. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Hold this chair. Yes, you're feeling warm and those legs are burning maybe. A little lower if you can. A little lower. A little lower. Just make sure your knees are not protruding forward. You're sitting way back. Then inhale, lift up. Hands come to your heart. Take a deep breath in and out. You can stay where you are. I'm just going to walk it back just a little bit further. Right now we're going to incorporate a balance pose, but it's going to be to strengthen your hamstring. So the right leg is down, the left leg is back. Arms come up, slight bend in the right knee so you're not going to hyperextend that joint. We're going to shift into warrior three. So notice that my hips, I'm hinging from my hips, they're the pivoting point, and I'm coming down to warrior three. I'm trying to keep my left leg up and then I'm pivoting up. Inhale, lift tall. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Working on that hamstring, working on the glutes. Down you go. And then inhaling up. And exhaling back down to warrior three. Holding here. Keep holding. You're also working that lower back from keeping that left leg up. Your back up as well. If you need to come out of it, come out of it. If this is too hard for you to balance, lower that left leg down, no problem. Then inhale, lift up, lean back. And we're gonna do a back bend just to relieve that lower back from that strengthening pose right there. Bend your knees if you need to. Relax your head. When and if you're ready, you can round on up. And let's do the other side. So this time, your left leg is down, your right leg is back. From here, keep a slight bend in the left knee. Pick up that back foot, find something in front of you that's not moving. Arms come up, finding that warrior three on the left side. Holding it here, inhaling, coming up, nice, easy, and steady. And back down you go, nice and easy. Hold it for a few moments. Deep breath here, in and out. Then gently lower that right leg. We're gonna do this 1 more time. Deep breath, nice and tall, elongate that spine. Make sure you have good form. Your back is flat, you're just pivoting from the hips. Hold it here, in and out. Pick up that right leg. Then let's lower down. Inhale, lift up, lean back, and let's stretch out that lower back and our hamstrings that we just put some pressure on. Well, some strengthening on. Bend the knees right here. We're gonna walk it all the way down to the mat. However you get there, that's fine. All the way down. Next, we're gonna kick the right leg up and the left arm up. We're gonna inhale, lift both high, and exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, lift high. Higher if you can. And exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, lift high, hold, hold, hold. Holding it here. Really working that back. Working the left shoulder, open, open, open. Then gently let's lower down. From here, we're gonna kick the left leg back. Right arm in front. Inhale, reach up. Higher, higher, higher. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 2 more times. Inhale, reach up. Higher, higher, higher. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 1 more time. Reach up, hold it for a moment. A little higher if you can. Then elbow to the knee. Then we're gonna come into a plank, kicking the left leg and right leg back, holding this plank. Modifications are welcome. You can come onto your elbows if you'd like. Holding, holding, holding. From here, you can drop the knees or not, but we're gonna chaturanga down, but make sure your elbows hug into your sides. Down you go, working on the upper arm strength. And then we're gonna transition, holding it here, to baby or upward facing dog. shoulders back. So this is upward facing dog. Modification is you just come here and hold. Deep breath in and out. Then from here, we're gonna untuck the toes or tuck the toes under, bend the knees, downward facing dog. Find your plank. We're gonna do this 2 more times. Chaturanga down, elbows in, down you go. Find your baby or upward facing dog. Shoulders back, squeeze the quads. Watch out for the lower back, squeeze your core, downward facing dog. Then find your plank. Last time, elbows really hug into sides, don't hurt those shoulders or elbows, down you go. Baby or upward facing dog. And this time we're gonna hit a child's pose. Bend the knees, find your child's pose, take a deep breath in and out. Next, we're gonna come up onto the tabletop. Tuck the toes under. We're gonna hover our knees about 1 inch or so off the ground and take a few breaths here in and out. Extra challenge, we're gonna bring that right leg up and out to the side and hold. Deep inhale and exhale. Lower the right leg down. Left leg comes up and hold. Deep inhale and exhale. Then from here, we're gonna find our downward facing dog. Holding here, let's drop those heels down. Get a nice little stretch in between this all. Deep inhale and exhale through your breath, in and out through your nose. Next, the right leg's gonna kick up to the sky. We're gonna do flying pigeon, so you're just gonna hover this right knee towards your right elbow. Take a deep breath here, and hover. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, same thing, hover and hold. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, hover and hold. Inhale, lift up. And lower the right leg down. Shift your weight to the right leg. Left leg kicks up to the sky. Deep breath here. And hover and hold. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, hover and hold. Inhale, lift up. And hover and hold. From here, lower your legs, and we're gonna go ahead and turn on to our bottoms right now. Shoulders back, navel in and up. If you need to, you can go into fist for this, or you can just pull the shoulders back, but elbows face backwards. We're gonna lift up the hips and down 3 times. Lifting up, hold, 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 really hold them up, and exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale, lift up, exhale down, and inhale up, and exhale down. Coming onto all the way your back now, taking it easy. Shoulders back. We're gonna kick the right leg up to the sky. Make sure this left knee doesn't go back and forth, it's nice and stable. Your upper back is on the ground and your chin is lifted, not all the way, but just so it's nice and aligned and it's not kinking into your neck. Lifting up the hips and down. 2 more times. Up and down, up and hold. And let's get a little stretch in this too. Figure 4 on top of the left leg, and we're gonna pull in through. Whenever you do strengthening exercises, it's really important to stretch as well. Let it be flexible and nice balance between the two. And then let's unleash the right leg down. Kick the left leg up to the sky, shoulders back, and 3 times on this side, lifting up and down. Great job, up and down. Last time, up and down. Then we're gonna go ahead and lift up, figure 4, and sit it down, pull through. Hands come under that right leg for a nice left hip opener stretch here. Then go ahead and unwind the legs, lift the legs up to the sky, arms come up, you come up and hold, 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 and down, up, hold, 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 and down, and one more, hold, 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 and down. Let's go ahead and rest it out, great job. Legs go long, shoulders go back, and just close your eyes and release every muscle in your body. Take the longest inhale that you've taken since this morning. And take an even longer exhale, releasing everything and melting down to the ground. Really sink in, really let go, and tell your body thank you for everything it just did. You can stay here, or whenever you're ready, you can come and close this practice together. Rounding over to the right side if you like, hang out there for a moment, help drain your heart, or just come to a seated position. Lifting up tall, go ahead and close your eyes. Think of a positive thought. Think of something you're grateful for. Bring your hands to your heart. Then go ahead and take a deep breath in, filling yourself up, and exhale out. Namaste. Thank you for practicing.
Thank you for participating. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.